What's up, guys? It's Joseph the Realtor, and today I am here to post my permits because I finally got my permits. I got them a while ago. I just haven't posted them because I haven't been able to get the windows in. So here we are, posting the permits because nosy neighbors are taking pictures and videos of the house saying this guy's doing the project without permits, which is false. So one thing when you're renovating a house, guys, you're gonna deal with is nosy neighbors, which sucks, but it just is what it is. And also permit delays. We'll start on the outside, and then it's time for a Bloomfield update. All right, guys, what's up? It's Joseph the Realtor, and this is my personal project, two-family house in Bloomfield that I am renovating and keeping for myself. I'm gonna live in the top floor. Oh my God, so many issues along the way. I just want to share them with you guys and give you an update because the house is framed. The plumbing rough is done, the electrical rough is done, and the HVAC rough is done. So we're gonna go inside and take a look. But first I wanna talk to you about the issues I had with the outside of the house. First of all, getting the windows in was a fucking nightmare. And I had to do brick lentils underneath the Anderson windows, and I had to close off some of the bricks. So I had a lot of weather delays. I had a lot of masons not showing up on the job because of the weather, and also when the weather was nice, they didn't want to work. So it was very hard to get people in here to put the windows in. However, we finally got all the windows in. I threw a brand new roof on the house and the garage, and I did all new black soffits. I'm gonna have these gorgeous oversized 6-inch black gutters that are gonna go around the entire house and come down the sides and the back of the house. And then I'm also gonna throw them underground. You can't see because of the snow, but those gutters are gonna come down to the front of the house and then go underground and come out here. So any rainfall is gonna come right outside of here, which is freaking great. So furthermore, another big issue that I'm currently dealing with is the PSE&G electrical. Getting the PSE&G contracting team to come out here and give me a 400 amp service is a pain in the ass. Getting them to upgrade the gas meters and bring them outside is a pain in the ass. But these are just things to keep in mind when you're doing a gut renovation like this. Roof on this house, $15,000. Black soffits and gutters, $7,000. The front door was $3,500. It's not in yet because you never want to install the front door right away because the guys doing the sheetrock, the guys doing the wood, the guys doing all the work are going to damage the front door. So you tend to put that in last. I'm going to do a beautiful black awning on the front, black metal roof. And I'm going to redo the front steps and the whole outside. Another delay, big one, is garage doors. If you notice, I haven't changed the garage doors yet. I have to reframe them to bring them down 7 feet 3 inches because that's the now standard garage door size. I wanted black to match the windows and the door. So 12 fucking weeks for garage doors, $7,200 for garage doors. So let's go inside and give you an update on the inside. Hopefully that was informative. All right, guys, another delay that I'm having with this build is staircase. It's been about 3 weeks. We're using this weird staircase system right here. It's basically just a shoddy ladder to get from the basement to the first floor and to the first floor to the second floor. One thing I want to point out to anybody doing a new construction who's reframing a house, it's very important the width of the stairs. Width of the stairs is very important because when you're moving furniture up and down, you have to have a nice wide girthy staircase to move around furniture. A lot of builders are doing 3-foot stairs, 3.5-foot stairs, and honestly, if you're doing that, you're a jerk off. You should not be doing 3-foot stairs. If you look at these stairs, these are 4 feet wide. How gorgeous. Easy to get in, easy to get up, so much space, and I think makes the house really grand. Guys, this is Juan. He's the electrician. He doesn't want to be in the video, but we're gonna force him. Juan, how long you been doing electrical, and what's the name of your company? Actually, no, All Wire Electrical. Juan, how much is the electrical in this house?
50 grand.
$50,000. But he's gonna give me a discount, right? Guys, so you know, I did a lot of things here. This is the house reframed. I closed off that window, which made a really big difference. These are Anderson Series 400 windows. Very expensive, but they're very high quality. They're solid wood. And if you notice, there's a ledge, and that ledge brings the water away from the house. There's a pitch to it already. There's a pitch on the lintel outside, but there's also a pitch on the ledge, which is very important for me. You see how the big the framing is? You got 2x4, you got cinder block, and you also have brick, which is super key. The house has a really high R value. We're in the living room right now, which is nice. This is the first apartment. I didn't care too much about this apartment. I wanted to maximize rent, so I made it a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. Upstairs, I made it a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom with an office. The reason I did that is because I was able to take away space and add it to the master walk-in closet and the master bathroom, which I'll show you upstairs. But really quick up here, this is a nice, down here you have a nice living room, kitchen, bathroom behind the kitchen, 1, 2, 3 bathrooms, and a laundry room right there. So in my opinion, an ideal rental. I'm gonna target a $4,500 a month rental here. So let's go upstairs, check out the upstairs, and I'll show you what's going on up there. Seems safe.
Sure does.
Where's your way?
Oh, this is good.
OSHA safe.
Hey guys, what's up? We're on the 2nd floor now. This is actually my unit. If you notice, there's a big landing over there. There's some stairs that come up and another landing before you walk into the apartment. This is the front door. And you're kind of walking into the living room. I did a lot of cool things in this unit. If you want to take a look at the ceilings, I did the tray ceilings. I did the tray ceilings in the kitchen, in the living room, and also in the master bedroom, which is super cool because it makes the ceiling higher than what it really is, and it gives it that abstract feature, and it adds a lot of character to the house. Big, huge Anderson window. There's an office right over there with a pocket door. I closed off that window. I closed off this window, giving me a lot more wall space, and this Anderson window is already going to bring in a ton of natural light. The kitchen was a big project. It was bigger than I thought it would be. I have a lot of changes here as to what I was originally going to do. The biggest thing I would say is the window. I originally got a massive window for this kitchen. However, it didn't work out because it has to be higher and you have to put cabinets there. So what I ended up doing, if you see the cinder block, I had to close off that window a little bit. Closing off that window made me realize, hey, I have to order a new Anderson window, which is going to take too long. However, I found a company that makes custom windows, and I had this custom window made for this unit and the unit below me. And this kind of is really nice, big picturesque portrait window, and the cabinets are going to go right here, and there's no cabinets up top here. I'm just going to do a cascading, maybe marble, maybe quartz from like the cabinet to the countertop to the ceiling. So it's going to look fucking stunning. Very excited about that. And if you notice, the tray is symmetrical with the window. And over here you have cabinets along this whole row right here. I got a bigger stove than normal, 36-inch stove instead of a 30. I think that's the right measurements. And the stove's going to go right here. And there's going to be a shelf right here, and there's going to be no cabinets. And the hood is going to go right here, and it's going to exhaust outside. And on this side, it was originally nothing, just a hallway. What we ended up doing is taking away from the master bathroom and giving this room for a fridge right here. So the fridge gets tucked away over here. And now I have a whole row of cabinets here for a pantry. So it really kind of spaced out the kitchen, made it more symmetrical, added a ton more countertop space, and made way for the fridge. If I didn't put the fridge here, the fridge would have had to go here, which would have made me get a smaller stove and made this whole area generally more tight. Now I can have a really nice island, I can have a wall of pantry space, and I can do a better design with the hood and the countertops over here. So I'm really glad I did that. It took a little while to figure that out. Honestly, it was my girlfriend's idea. It wasn't my idea, and thank you to her. She really took her time doing that, and it means a lot. If you notice, all the electrical is roughed out. So you have the hi-hats in, you have the central air ducts, you have, this is basically, you walk in from the kitchen, you have a laundry room. In this unit, because it's my unit, I did a side-by-side instead of a stackable, which is really nice. Stairs to the attic is in. If you notice, I did a plywood floor throughout the whole attic upstairs. And also, this already had a floor. I put a 3/4-inch plywood right on top of this. A 1/2-inch plywood, I'm sorry, right on top of this. So then hardwood floor is going to go on top of this. So this house is fucking solid. You know, you don't hear any creaks walking on this. So imagine once the hardwood floors are in, it's gonna be super solid, super soundproof. Over here we have a closet, which is really nice. So in the laundry room we have storage. We have 2 closets here. We have a full bathroom here with a tub. We have the first bedroom, which is a really nice size, 2 windows and a closet. One of the things I did, which was really cool, electrical panel inside each unit. So each unit has their own electrical panel, which is super important. You never have to bother nobody if something trips or breaks. Let's go in here. This is my master. You know, a lot of people are buying homes right now and they're doing renovations, and a lot of people are buying new construction homes that are already built. Unfortunately, those things you can't really edit too much unless you gut the house the way I did. I didn't have to gut this house, but the reason I gutted this house is so I can design my master the way I wanted to, all while living in a 2-family house at no cost to me. I don't want to have a mortgage. I think having a mortgage at my age is very silly. People will disagree with me, but again, I don't have kids. You know, I don't have a family yet. I'm sure when I do, I will have my single-family dream home. But until then, I'll live in a multifamily investment home. I'll live here very comfortably and then rent it out afterwards. So here we are in the bedroom. Big Anderson Series 400 windows. You have a nice big deep closet over here. I'm going to do probably a container store closet system or a California closet system. If you notice, Eric, if you want to come around this way. Big closet here. And then this closet right here is even bigger. This is a walk-in closet. It's framed for a pocket door. It's not this wide. So you have a pocket door that'll come here. And I'm going to do a California closet system here too. So this is going to be nice. I have 2 big closets in my master. I did a nice tray ceiling in there too. And then the hallway that connects everything to the bathroom. This bathroom is awesome. It took a lot of trial and error to design it, but I think it came out really nice. Again, thanks to my girlfriend, Natasha. Thank you so much for that. We have a nice big window right in the middle. We have a double vanity here. Finding vanities right now is very tough, but we're going to get a 72-inch vanity right here. Toilet's going to go in that corner over there. We're going to do a little closet system, pantry system for towels. And then over here, we're going to have a very nice tub. I've always wanted a tub, so I want to throw a tub here. And then an oversized shower, 2 hi-hats in the shower, and a rainfall shower head. We framed it out. If you notice, this framing is pitched this way. So we're going to have the drain over here. Shower over here with a rainfall shower head and a nice bench, and then we did this framed out so that we could put shampoos and whatnot here. So very excited. That's the update. I'm still waiting on garage doors. I'm still waiting on front steps to the house. I'm still waiting on a lot of things, but that's what you deal with construction. I bought this house November 1st. It is now February 1st. November, December, January, 3 months. 3 months, not too bad. I got my permits. By the way, permits for this house were $6,500. I think that's very important to know because I was blown away about how much permits are. I have my permits. The property's framed. I'm almost done with the roof. I'll do my rough inspection. Once I pass rough inspection, I'll insulate the entire house. I'm going to insulate the ceiling. I'm going to insulate the exterior walls, and I'll do a regular insulation throughout, maybe a soundproof insulation. And then I'll do something called the insulation inspection. Once the insulation passes inspection, then I can close up the house and sheetrock the entire house. That's going to be very exciting because then you really start to see like how the house looks. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming out with more videos, and hopefully these are informative. If you guys have any questions, write in the comments below, and follow me on Instagram, Joe NJ Realtor, for more updates in my day-to-day. See you guys.